Hey, Maya, can you tell Fabo to hurry up, man? Cause we got a lot of people need to be tatted up, man. I need him to finish up on the tattoo. He did a taco meat on my chest. I got a lot of people. I got this white man out. He need a tattoo of some longer shorts. What, matter of fact, what this say?
Kill yourself.
That's what you need to do ASAP.
NCE Entertainment. For real.
I know. Tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. You got your thong showing up. Your tattoo on your back. You got all your tatted on your tattoo makes you tatted up. Tattoo on your chest. Tattoo on your ass. Tattoo up your dog so the light can pussy tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. Miami tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. Tatted up. Everybody tatted up.
Look what you eyes have. Then on your back and between your legs is blinking like some ice cream. Melt into the flow, dip it back and drop it low. Girl, I know this sounds strange, but I done seen that type of photo. Cherries on the way, can I get a taste? Hello, get a tattoo on your titty. My bell face, but you ain't that pretty. I'm so sad, so I rep my titty. I ain't see your tattoo on my arm. Got me heat, nigga, best be calm. Angel wings tattooed on your back, a couple flames coming out your crime. Got your thong showing on your tattoo on your back. What else is stuff and sister in here? Put that one up on YouTube. Hey!
Fire van a roach killer. The roach killer being laced.
Sharp with my thing like a razor. Blade come clean like a shaper. So I guess I'm in a game of taper. But everybody gon' feel it.
I would like for people to watch it.
You look so dumb right now. Standing outside my house.
What is not real now?
Trying to apologize. You're so ugly when
That's why all the girls want to go low for one another.
just cut it out.
Go there, big girl.
Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you should've got a shot. Let me go. And now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very interesting.
So I'm gonna re-party, I'm gonna party like this. Ready?
Alpha Flag got indecent exposure. don't know, sir, fire sister thing too nice, everything burn up, everything flame up and, you know.
Rastafari the most I ever live, never faithful, never sure. Only man we like Haile Selassie, check it, you know. And Rasta man there peace some key, you know, fire, you know. Place in it. Yeah man, the Rasta there peeling some sugar cane, you know. Yeah man. Sugar cane, one of the powerfulest plants on the earth. Right now. Motor vehicles in China is running off of the fluid made from sugar cane called ethanol. So powerful it is.